We can copy anything, any wardrobes from the Pinterest, or any client is going to send me any wardrobes, we can copy exactly the same quality.
Hampstead is the location, northwest London, one of the prime locations in central London. And we're doing a quick refurbishment project. Let's take a look. This is where the value lies, a huge garden. Let's take a look inside.
First of all, I want to call this project a rushing project because the speed has to be very quick. 2 weeks. I saw this flat. The amount of work has been done here. How you can see, I've been sanding with a sander machine all the floor area, including the other 3-bedroom, which is more or less very close to 140 square meter. It was a door there between the dining open plan area to go into the bedroom. We blocked that door, how you can see. We're gonna manage today to put the paint there and to look nice because the client want to be here tomorrow with a cleaner and move in. Here, how you can see, we've done a lot. 2 weeks. We've been stripped out existing engineering flooring on the hallway because it was out of level. We make it level. We put back new engineering flooring. The way it has been before was with a line like this. So we done it with a line like this to match with the entire house. Here, the only small things we done on my joinery is a pair door here, which is going to be nice spraying door. I show you in the other bedroom how it's going to look the same color. Not much done from our side here, but we just touch up a little bit the skirting. We obviously done, how you can see, we sander with the sander machine, the engineering flooring. We apply coat of stain and 2 coat of lacquer. On the master bedroom, which is this one, again, I want to repeat, 2 weeks time, yeah? No one company in London can give you that. I done these nice wardrobes, including spraying. You can see it's gonna be LED lights there. Nice color, nice stain, oak veneer stain with a linen stain. This is, I can call luxe wardrobes. With too much pressure on my joinery, I can make it happen to be delivery in 2 weeks time. Obviously we done the same principle here with sand with the sander machine. We put new stain, new lacquer. On this one, how you can see where I build my wardrobes in here, it's exactly the space from the dining area where I blocked the door, but we can see the depth of the wardrobes is going on that section. So this is, I call it 1.5 wardrobes. And then here it's on my joinery today. I need to deliver it to install a little bit late today or maximum tomorrow. It's gonna be stick out here. Nice 2-door and 2-door there to cover the manifold system. How was before was a little bit very cowboy, not very aspecting. So when I saw the bedroom, I just speak with my client, okay, let's do something to be part of the joinery. So here is going to look like part of the joinery, but obviously inside is going to hide the manifold system. So it's going to be like a shaker door, 2 number of door with a nice handles, little bit word open, same principle I'm going to copy in there. So it's going to look, when you come from here, obviously the client was here today, very, very happy with the design, with the quality, and I try to deliver it in very minimum time. In terms of location, Hampstead is one of the, I can call it the best location. You can see these flats, the amount of garden it's got. So many things, I've done so many projects in Hampstead, which I call it a really nice area. The good advantages with ourselves, because whatever we need, we have it very quickly because we have our joinery. So we're not relying on other people. For example, when it's something, let's call it a client. I've got a new client in Finchley, want to replace the kitchen. Any company, they can give delivery 10 to 12 weeks. So I've been there, I measure, I agreed on the color, I agree on the design. So I promise I'm going to be delivered in about 2.5 to 3 weeks time, which was, wow, amazing. No people can do that. So we have good things because we have our joinery. We not rely on other people. Let's talk a little bit about the quality, which is really very important. Every and any client, they're looking for quality. Not only for speed, but the quality is important. This style of door, how you can see, is a shaker door. We can copy anything, any wardrobes from the Pinterest, or any client is going to send me any wardrobes, we can copy exactly the same quality. Inside, we don't use the egg artificial paneling. We use only oak, natural oak veneer, and then we stain it with a variation of stain color. The most popular stain color is this one, which is called linen. We do the wardrobe with the soft close. You can see how it's closed. So this is make the feeling of the natural, yeah? So not many people probably know that, but who know about feeling of timber, you can see the natural carcasses has been done. So very little people, they do that in UK, to be honest. They use egg, which is artificial product. So how you can see, we can do any design. This is the agreement between me and the client, how to lay out LED there. We have a meeting, me and the client, we done design together, and I just follow the design. But I give my instruction. Most of the layout on these wardrobes has been advised by me. So the client was happy with my suggestions. The key with our project is quality, delivery, and service on time. And we can deliver any wardrobes or any project from zero to finish as a quality and as a good project finishing. All our contact is below. I see you next time.